Hey, it's Sam and Diana from Toronto Platinum Realty with another cool video on the secret sauce to selling your home for more money. So what is the number one recipe, formula, if you want to call it, to getting your home sold for the most amount of money?
And creating more demand for your home.
That's right. So obviously, a price is a function of supply and demand. So you would agree that the agent or the team or the seller who can create the most demand for their home is the one who's going to sell for the highest price. So what are the ways that you can create the most demand for your home? What is the number one way?
There's actually a lot of ways, but the number one thing that home sellers need for their home to sell is buyers. But what's better is instead of having one buyer, having multiple buyers fight for your home. And this will create more demand for your home. And in order to do this, you need to have a unique and innovative consumer program that focuses on, major marketing, generating buyers, making sure your home is exposed to everyone online and offline.
That's right.
And, these days, I think marketing has gone to a whole different place that it wasn't at 10. If you think about 10 or 15 years ago, marketing has changed dramatically.
That's right.
There's been some really, really smart and tech-savvy geniuses that have come up with really unique ways of making sure that their products are exposed.
And that's changing every day. And if you're not moving with the change, then you're going to get left behind. For example, on social media, the way you can target your audiences these days and buyers, and it's just crazy. You know what I mean? But if you don't know how to do these things, make sure that the team or agent who's handling the sale of your home has a good understanding about these things, or at least has a marketing department like we do that has. If you have any questions about these type of things, you can let us know. We'll be happy to answer it. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification.
Thanks.
Hi, if you're thinking about making a move in the next 3 to 6 months and you would like somebody from our team to help you with the purchase or sale of your home, you can just call the number below, or you can go to our website at www.torontoplatinumteam.com, and somebody from our team will reach out to discuss your plans and what the next steps will be. Thank you.